Halor ke Jingkren yasuk ba ka sangking atiar Neutral National Liberation Council lane ke Hnlc nakliang Myntri Rangbah ke jelau la penlong ke Ialang menta ka sngi hagane ke Ialang la donlang uksiang balatung da ka sorkar uba PS dekhar Myntri ke kampoing ke sorkar jelau ba lakmen rembui usembut Myntri Rangbah uba prestun tensong lembar ke Chief Secretary ke Kong Rabeka V Suchang bat kiwe Haba Kren shikilal pathai khupor nakaliang Myntri Rangbah uloong baka Jingkren kalong hi banyatai Halor ban penya chakmat yakne ka benta ban uloong ru ban nakaliang ka jongu patla ban yathu ya ka ei ka balaya Kren Halor ka ne ka benta Hnlc ka ei ka badan kam bantim kalong ban nakaliang ka sorkar jella kala shimkhya bha ya ka ne ka mat ban penurlong.
Well, as I said, the details you can talk to the interlocutor. So for my side, now all the process and discussions are to the interlocutor.
So what was the meeting all about?
The process, discussion.
When will be the next meeting?
It'll go on. It may happen in the weeks, maybe days. So it's a process, as I said. It's difficult to give any kind of a update to you. It's not correct. It's a process. So you have to give it time. You have to allow the system to work. You have to allow you to understand that there is things that cannot be shared. I understand that you would like to know, but it could jeopardize the entire discussion and process. So one has to respect the process and the entire mechanism in which it's done. So therefore, I would have loved to share more information, but as I said, in the interest of the solution and in the interest of the process to move forward, we can't share everything. But what is important for the people, the state, and all of you to know is that the government is committed, and we are ensuring that that we continue to put pressure and to monitor the progress of the work. It's a normal process, as I said, and the process has to continue. So I've been very clear from day one that every meeting does not have a conclusion or does not have any news. It's just a process. But the most important part is the government is committed to move things forward, and that's the reason we are ensuring that continuous communication is taking place. At this point in time, there is limited information that I can share, but as you can see, we are continuously pushing this to ensure that we can reach the logical conclusion.
The government to have a ceasefire with the agency.
As I said, it's a process, so it's difficult to say right now. So process will continue. We hope that we'll be able to move things at a faster pace. So that's what our objective is right now. As I said, it is with Chief Secretary right now. As soon as I got it in Delhi, I've sent it to Chief Secretary. We will be sharing, they'll be going through it, and the presentation will be given to us. And once that is done, to us means the cabinet. And once that is done, then we'll take a decision on how to move forward.